How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Swipe right and head over to this section. Click on your profile at the top left corner and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down. You should see the option of privacy settings. This option might only be available to some of the users, so if it is available to you, then you can head over to it and then set the settings to only me. Now the next thing you want to do is go back to your previous page. Click one of the snaps that you want to send. Now click on this infinity icon. You simply have to set the limits. From 1 to 10, you can choose any of the duration. Once the duration has been set, the other people that you are connected on Snapchat won't be able to save any of your snap, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can stop someone from saving any of your snap on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.